How much does an access control system cost? You Google it, and all you get are vague answers and nothing that actually helps you plan your budget. Let's stop the guesswork. We're going to break down exactly what affects the price of an access control system and what you should and shouldn't be paying for. Hi y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS. If you're running a small business in Las Vegas or in Southern California, you're probably thinking two things. One, I need to secure my building, and two, I need to know what it's going to cost before I can even think about moving forward. At AIS, we've helped tons of businesses figure this out. And let's be honest, the online info is a mess. You deserve straight answers. So today, we're breaking it all down. What truly drives the cost of an access control system, what's worth your money, and what you can skip. Just a quick heads up. Prices can shift around a bit over time, whether it's from hardware shortages, manufacturer updates, or software changes. So for the most accurate pricing, it's always best to check directly with the manufacturer or your local dealer. So here's the deal. Pricing access control and security systems isn't like picking out a desk. There's no simple sticker price. It really depends on your space, how many doors you've got, what kind of hardware you want, and how tight your security needs to be. But there are consistent patterns we've seen across hundreds of installs. And once you understand them, you'll have a clear picture of what's going to cost you and where you can save. So, how much does it actually cost? For a small office with 1 to 3 doors, most installs fall somewhere between $2,500 and $7,500. That usually includes cloud-based access, readers, and installation. For a mid-sized business, maybe 4 to 10 doors, you're probably in the $10,000 to $25,000 range, especially if you're adding mobile credentials or video integration. For larger or multi-site businesses, you're usually looking at $30,000 and up, depending on your complexity and how many locations you're trying to manage remotely. Of course, these are just averages. Your space might land below or above that, which is why we always recommend a walkthrough with 2 or more potential security providers. Let's talk about the stuff that looks like a deal but ends up costing you more in the long run. First up, outdated legacy systems. These are the older setups that rely on clunky local servers and complicated wiring, and they usually come with a laundry list of problems. They're tough to maintain, updates are manual, and when something breaks, good luck finding support, especially if the manufacturer isn't even in business anymore. You also have to train every new employee on how to use this dinosaur, and most folks just give up and prop the door open instead. Not great for security. Then there are those entry-level starter kits. You've probably seen ads that promise complete access control for under $1,000, but here's the catch. Most of those kits are designed for super simple setups, and they almost never scale. You can't add more doors, you can't integrate cameras, and you're locked into proprietary hardware that only works with that one vendor. So, when you grow or when something breaks, you're starting from scratch. And don't even get me started on hidden fees. Some systems charge you for every new user you add. Others make you pay extra for mobile access, which should be standard by now. We've even seen vendors bill separately just for calling support or accessing training videos. At AIS, we don't play that game. When we give you a quote, we include everything. Mobile credentials, support, training, and install. It's all there. No sneaky line items, no surprise bills 6 months in. Just a comprehensive, honest breakdown so you can make a smart decision. We don't believe in cookie-cutter installs. We physically walk your space, learn how your business runs, and recommend a system that fits, not something bloated or overbuilt. We handle the install, the setup, and support long-term, so you're not dealing with 5 different vendors or mystery fees popping up later. If you're ready to stop guessing and get a real idea of what access control will cost for your space, let's talk. We'll do a walkthrough, virtual or in person, and give you a straight answer. No pressure, just real help. Got any questions? Give us a call or visit our website, ais-now.com. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.